Okay guys, 828 Fine Adventure here. I've got some new AUXITO LED headlamp bulbs. These are the low beams. Check these out. They come with all kinds of goodies in here. They come with some nice gloves to wear for protection to keep you from putting your fingerprints on the bulbs, which can mess them up. And they're really high end. They're very well made. Lots of aluminum. Looks like they're CNC machined possibly. So I'm going to show you how to put those in. It's really easy. You just got to remove one plastic air thing on the top here. I don't know what it's called. And then we can go ahead and put the bulbs in, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's get started. So what you get here are two of the low beam LED bulbs. Looks like they have a little module in between, probably to keep it from flickering. If some of the LED bulbs can cause flickering. It has some zip ties here. I assume that's for the extra cable here. A little Allen wrench. Not sure what that's for. Probably an adjustment of the fan or the light bulb itself. You could find that in the directions. I didn't need to mess with that. And a couple of gloves here so you don't touch the bulbs. When you remove your old bulbs, save them. You just never know when you need them, or you could give them to a friend. And you don't want to touch the LED bulbs. I wear these gloves. I pick them up on Amazon, and so I did not use these. But that's where we're at there. And this is what you get with these AUXITO bulbs for the 2016 Subaru Legacy. These will also fit the Outback. So the first thing you do is there's a couple of little push pins here, and you remove those. Let me see if this little interior tool will help me with that. Looks like I'm going to need something stronger. I'm just going to use a screwdriver for these. It'll make it a lot easier. So we have two of these. You just pop them off. That's all they are. Okay. This piece just comes out just like that. See, it's the air intake here to your air box. Let's set that there. I'm going to set these two little push pins right here where they won't fall down. Okay, now I have access to the low beam light right here. This one right here should be the 9005. Turn it counterclockwise. Press the little button on the back. Pops right out. Did you see how that worked? Let me show you again. So it's got a little thumb press right here. Press that with your thumb. So all you do is you turn it counterclockwise and the bulb comes right out. You have a little thumb press and you can unplug it and the bulb comes out. I'm going to put this new bulb in and turn it clockwise. There we go. And I'll take it and I'll plug it right in. There we go. And that's all there is to it. So let's do the other one. First, I'm going to unplug it on this side because there's not that much room. Then I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Bulb comes right out. Then I'm going to get the new bulb. Be very careful not to touch it to anything. Just keep it clean. And there it is. It's plugged in. I turned it clockwise to install it. Then I plug in the wire. All right. Look at that. It's nice. I tucked the wires right down in there. Let me show you the other one. Look at that. That's where the little fan is. Back in there. See that? I'm going to save these other two bulbs if I ever need them. I'm going to reinstall this right now. So here we have the AUXITO bulb installed. You can see the nice aluminum construction. It has vents on the side to keep it cool. It has a fan inside that when you turn it on, it powers up and keeps the light cool. These are the LED bulbs, the ones I had in before. You can tell they're kind of a warm color. And these are the AUXITOs, and they are super bright and super white, almost too bright. I think if you were doing a lot of highway driving at night, these bulbs would be amazing. Or maybe mountain roads late at night. I don't think oncoming traffic is going to appreciate these because they are super bright. But, you know, some people just don't care. But, you know, they're super bright. They'll, you know, definitely you'll be able to see the road ahead of you. And, you know, they do a really good job. As you can see, here I am driving at night. They seem to, you know, shine way ahead, and they do a really good job. You know, if there was deer out there or anything like that. I mean, these lights are really bright white, and they shine really far. So, you know, like I said, I don't think oncoming traffic is going to appreciate these unless they have a similar type bulb. I don't know if you've noticed some of the new Lexus models out there. They have a bright white bulb. Some of the new Subarus do as well. Pretty soon, all the vehicles are going to have bright lights, and you're just going to have to squint when you drive by because everybody's headlights are going to be super bright for safety. I don't know how blinding somebody makes it safer, but it seems like all the new cars are coming with really bright lights. And nobody uses their auto on-off high beam button in their car. So, you know, you're just going to have to deal with it. But these bulbs installed really easy. These are the low beam version of the AUXITO LED bulbs. All right, guys, it's the next day. I hope you liked that install video of the Subaru Legacy low beam headlights. These are real nice LED headlights, headlight bulbs that were sent to me by AUXITO. They're very good quality. They're machined really nice. They have really nice fans on the back and wiring. Everything's just very high end and very, very good quality, including the packaging. They come with everything you need to install them. You know, hopefully my video helps if you need to install one of your bulbs. Like I always say, don't just install the burned out one, install them both at the same time. I don't care if it's brake lights, tail lights, fog lights, whatever. Go ahead and do the pair. It's just a better way to do it and to keep track of, you know, when they go out. Anyways, you know, that was it. Pretty simple video. You know, if you would subscribe, it really helps. I'm going to be doing more Subaru videos and truck videos. And of course, it's getting warmer. I'll probably be doing some fishing and mountain biking. And if you would, like I said, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. And comment. Please comment. I will answer those comments as soon as I get them. So, you know, do that. Ask anything. I've had lots of Subarus and I've had lots of Toyotas. And, you know, I've got plans for both of these that I've got right now. So I will see you next time. See ya.